Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm sharing Wednesday's lunchbox recipe which I had packed for my husband. Tuesdays and Mondays lunchbox recipes are listed in a playlist which is linked at the end card, or you can find the links below this video. So let's get started with the recipe. For Wednesday's lunchbox recipe, into a bowl I have already added 1 grated carrot, half chopped onion, 1 finely chopped green chili, few curry leaves. Add in pink Himalayan salt as needed. Into this, add in 2 to 3 ladleful of my healthy dosha batter. The dosha batter recipe link is in the description box below this video, so please do check it out to know how to make a healthy dosha batter. And now mix this really well. And guys, did you know that fermented foods like idli dosha breaks down the starch, so they are readily metabolized by the body. Also, fermented foods like idli, dosha, curd, etc. are a good source of vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 plays a very crucial role in iron absorption. So please do keep this in mind when you're preparing food for yourself and for your family. Heat an iron dosha tawa and grease it with gingerly oil. Always try to use an iron cookware for better iron absorption. Pour in half of the batter and lightly spread it out. This meal is very filling because of the fiber from the vegetables, and you can add in more vegetables of your choice if you prefer. Now put the flame on the lowest and cover and cook for about a minute. Once that side is cooked, open the lid and carefully flip it over. Note that I'm not adding any healthy fats like desi ghee in this carrot uttapam, so make sure you're using a well seasoned iron tawa to prevent it from sticking. Once cooked, remove it from the tawa and repeat the same with the rest of the batter. Now the reason why I did not use any desi ghee is because I'm serving this with coconut chutney. The healthy fats in coconut chutney will not only help to lower the glycemic index of the uttapam, but also helps to assimilate nutrients faster into your body. Now if you plan to serve this uttapam with sambar, make sure you add desi ghee. A combination of complex carbs and healthy fats are a must in a sustainable, healthy diet for weight loss and weight management. So try to balance the intake of fats in your meals. Like if you're serving dosha or idli with coconut chutney, you don't need to add any extra ghee or oil to the dosha or uttapam like I'm showing in this video. I have already shared how to make this healthy coconut chutney recipe. Links will be updated below this video, so please do check it out. And lunchbox meal is ready. I'm also serving 2 small plantains, which is known as param in Malayalam, to have as a mid-morning or post-lunch snack. So guys, don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. And hopefully I'll be back with Thursday's lunchbox recipe tomorrow. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.